Welcome to this brief overview of online learning models as presented in the Online Teaching Survival Guide by Bochner and Conrad. There are 4 types of learning environments: traditional or face-to-face, web-facilitated, blended or hybrid, and online. Traditional face-to-face classroom settings have 0% of the content delivered online. It should be noted, however, that with today's technology found in the classroom, computers, iPads, netbooks, those students may be using technology, the actual content is still delivered in the traditional setting. That setting would include content being delivered either verbally or in writing, and most of the resources being presented in forms of books, handouts, and other lecture material. A web-facilitated setting will deliver 1 to 29% of the content online. Though in this type of environment, you find no online interaction or collaboration between peers, you will find course management systems, web pages, and other online resources used to support learning in that class. Blended or hybrid learning environments deliver 30 to 79% of their content online. Learning management systems, online discussions, interaction and collaboration between peers, and occasional face-to-face meetings are all elements found in a blended hybrid learning course. In a strictly online learning environment, 80% or more of the content is delivered online. An online course generally consists of no face-to-face interaction at all. Collaboration, discussions, and assessments are all conducted online. In regards to online learning, according to Bochner and Conrad, one of the most optimal settings is that of a hybrid or blended learning course. However, within that scenario, there are quite a few best practices that should be studied. As an educator, the first best practice is to be sure to be present at the course site. The second practice is to create a supportive online course community. A third best practice as an educator is to develop a clear and explicit set of expectations for both you and your learners. It is also suggested that educators provide students with an estimated time in which to complete course assignments for that particular week. The fourth best practice includes using a variety of large group, small group, and individual work experiences. Another best practice exercised by online instructors is the ability to use both synchronous and asynchronous activities. Practice 6 involves asking for informal feedback early in the term. Best practice number 7 involves the instructor's ability to prepare discussion posts that invite responses, questions, discussions, and reflections. The 8th best practice involves searching out and using content resources that are available in digital format if and when possible. Best practice number 9 indicates that instructors should combine core concept learning with customized and personal learning. The last best practice of an online instructor is to be sure to plan a good closing and wrap-up activity for the course. I'm hoping this brief overview of the 4 types of learning environments has been helpful in distinguishing the differences. In addition, the best practices shared for successful online instructors hopefully will provide you tools in which you can further your skill set as an online instructor. For additional information, please visit the Online Teaching Survival Guide by Bochner and Conrad. Thank you.